Most Aurora sellers don't lose money because their home isn't nice enough. They lose leverage because they prepare in the wrong order. Before you decide what to fix, update, or spend money on, get your free home value so you're not guessing about your position in today's market. When preparation is random, it quietly affects your pricing power, your timeline, and how confident buyers feel walking through your home. Today, let's walk through a calmer, smarter way to prepare your Aurora home for sale over the next 60 days. Focus on progress, not perfection. A very common pattern I see is sellers starting with cosmetic projects first. New paint colors, trendy light fixtures, landscaping upgrades, all before they've built what I call structural confidence signals. Here's what buyers are actually looking for at a subconscious level. They want reassurance that the home has been cared for and that there won't be hidden surprises after they move in. So preparation works best when it follows a priority stack. First comes confidence, second comes clarity, third comes presentation. Confidence includes things like mechanical systems functioning properly, visible maintenance issues addressed, and anything that could create doubt during the inspection already thought through. Clarity comes from decluttering, simplifying spaces, and allowing buyers to understand how the home lives. Presentation comes last, the cosmetic finishing touches that help buyers emotionally connect. When sellers reverse this order, they often spend time and money without strengthening their market position. And when they stack preparation intentionally, every step builds momentum. And this is also where early valuation insight helps you avoid over-improving for your price range. And once the preparation sequence is clear, the next step is deciding what actually needs to be repaired and what doesn't. Not every repair creates equal value in the eyes of the buyer. Some updates dramatically improve confidence, others barely register. And some partial updates can actually make buyers more cautious. Confidence-building repairs are usually the ones tied to reliability and risk. Roof condition, HVAC performance, plumbing functionality, and evidence of water management. These don't always create excitement, but they reduce hesitation. Then there are repairs buyers often overlook. Minor cosmetic imperfections, small wear patterns, older but functioning finishes. Trying to eliminate every tiny flaw can drain your timeline without meaningfully improving your outcome. The third category is where many sellers get stuck: partial updates. For example, replacing one countertop but leaving surrounding finishes dated or updating one bathroom while the others feel untouched. This can unintentionally signal unfinished work rather than thoughtful preparation. The goal here isn't to turn your home into a renovation project. It's to create decision comfort for buyers. And when buyers feel comfortable, they move faster. And when they move faster, you maintain negotiating strength. But preparation isn't just physical. There's also a very real difference between feeling emotionally ready to sell and being strategically ready to price. Many Aurora sellers reach a point where they feel ready. They've lived in the home for years, and they're thinking about the next chapter. They start mentally moving on, but the market doesn't respond to emotional timing, it responds to positioning. And preparation directly influences which pricing band your home can confidently enter. A well-prepared home often competes in a stronger segment of the market. A rushed or scattered preparation timeline can push a home into a more cautious buyer pool. Timeline discipline is what protects leverage. And when sellers give themselves a structured 60-day runway, they avoid last-minute pressure decisions. They can observe feedback patterns, refine presentation strategy, and launch with intention rather than urgency. And again, this is why understanding your current value early in the process creates calm. It replaces uncertainty with options. Now let's talk about how to build real listing momentum before your home even goes live. Decluttering is often framed as a chore, but in reality, it's one of the most powerful clarity tools sellers have. As you simplify your space, you're also simplifying your future move. You're identifying what truly needs to come with you and what doesn't. That reduces stress later when timelines feel tighter. At the same time, early valuation conversations help shape your preparation strategy. They give context to improvement decisions and help you avoid guessing based on outdated assumptions. There's also a marketing runway most sellers don't realize exists: photography planning, showing flow strategy, and timing alignment with buyer activity patterns. All of this becomes easier when preparation is phased instead of rushed. This is how confidence builds, step by step, not all at once. So if you're thinking about selling your Aurora home in the next couple months, start with clarity before commitment. Get your free home value so you understand your position. Then let your preparation plan unfold in a calm, structured way. This is Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group, and I will see you in the next video.